Hello kids, let's learn some household chores names. Dusting, shovel snow, polishing shoe, watering plants, cycle repairing, kitchen cleaning, fridge cleaning, laundry folding, iron clothes, vacuum the floor, washing the car, planting a flower, sweeping, mopping the floor, doing laundry, wipe the window, doing dishes, preparing meal, gardening, set the table. Keep learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.